Hello students, welcome to my Smart Learn with Fun educational channel. In this channel, you are going to study lessons and poems with their meaning in Hindi and English, glossary also. So please subscribe my channel and like and share my all the videos. Today you are going to study first poem of 6th standard English, Don't Give Up, written by Phoebe Carey. Don't give up. Give up is a phrase means lose heart and stop trying. In this poem, poetess had given us beautiful message. She advises us never to be disheartened and dejected by failures. We are reminded that all the great and good things in the world is done just by patience and continuous effort of concerned people. Means she had given us beautiful message that failure should not discourage us from achieving what we have set out to do. First stanza with meaning. If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All that great and good is done just by patient trying. Patient means a person with a calm endurance. Meaning of stanza. In this poem, the poetess encourages us not to give up. She says that if we have tried to achieve something but not succeeded, we should not stop to cry. All great and good things have been done just by keeping on trying patiently. Second stanza. Though young birds in flying fast, still their wings grow stronger, and next time they can keep up little longer. Means, she first gives us example of young birds. The birds fall when they are learning to fly, but their wings grow stronger, and next time they try, they can keep up little longer than before. Third stanza. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that blowed her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. Though the sturdy means strong. Oak is a name of tree, one deciduous type of a tree. Has known many a blast, it is a phrase. It means has survived many blows of stormy winds that blowed her. She has risen again and grown loftier. Loftier means taller and stronger and prouder. Meaning, the strong oak has been bent by many stormy winds, but has risen again and grown taller, stronger, and prouder. Last stanza. If by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you, gaining victory from defeat? That's the test that tries you. If by easy work you beat means you win. Who the more will prize you, gaining victory? Victory means success achieved. From defeat, that's the test that tries you. Test that tries you means something done to discover or test your ability. Meaning, the poet test warns us that no one will value if we win when we do something that is easy. The test that shows our strength is the one where we don't give up but gain victory after defeat.